Arvind ji, Maan Saab, Sanjeev Arora ji, other ministers of the government, members of parliament, Rajinder ji, Sani Saab, friends from industry, Chief Secretary Punjab, members of the government, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a pleasure to be here today and to look at a serious, significant effort to bring Punjab back to where it deserves to be. This was the leading state in the country economically. And this attempt, as Rajinder ji just said, is truly an outstanding effort to turn this around as an industrial state, as a progressive agriculture state, as a state which focuses on technology. Our own initiatives here are in the areas of education, in healthcare, in real estate, in steel cold rolling. And we have attempted in each of these to work with society, to work with the communities, to build the state into the powerhouse that I believe it can be. So this event is truly been organized in a manner that a best-in-class event and conference would be anywhere in the world. So my compliments to Mr. Arora for leading this initiative from the front, literally going out personally and making calls, taking the Chief Minister to visit different places. This truly is outstanding. The policy that you've announced is certainly encouraging, but I think it's important to remember that the policy is only a policy. It's only as good as its implementation. It is the entire system in the government which will now have to stand up and be counted to ensure that you don't hit the deadline so that the self-certification and the auto-clearance is not required because you hit the deadline, but you actually do the clearance before that. Because there are states that are actually doing this right now. So if we have to stand up right now, because the good thing that's happened in India in the last 30 years is a healthy competition between states to attract and invite investments both from across the country and from across the globe. I think we have a unique opportunity today. India and Indians have never had a reputation as there is right now. So let's take full advantage of this and build up the pace at which this is being done. I think this is truly a unique opportunity. My compliments to the entire team. And I do think if you keep this pace up that you've established now, you have a true opportunity to take this into the leading states in the country. At the same time, I do hope we will focus also on agriculture, both the water table, the quality of water, and the soil condition also need a little bit of attention while we are focusing on industry, because they do depend on each other. And we have had the good fortune of having more water than any other state. But at this moment, sadly, because of the way agriculture has worked in the state, we've also had a massive drop in the water table. So there is a unique opportunity to consider agri-waste into an industrial raw material. Stubble burning is a dual problem. A problem for the farmer, problem for the ecosystem. If we can turn that into a raw material, either for mulch or for briquetting, we have the opportunity to create additional revenue streams for the farms and also clean up the atmosphere at the same time. Char would be another add-on that we can do, because that would also allow higher carbon sequestration. So the opportunities in front of us are immense. Let's go out and truly build the Punjab of our dreams. Thank you very much and all the very best.
Thank you so much, sir.